Spirit Tower, King Air 926 Delta Whiskey, ready for departure on the 26 left.
Air 926 Delta Whiskey, Spirit Tower, turn left heading 210, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff.
Let me left 210, clear for takeoff.
Air 6 Delta Whiskey, contact St. Louis departure, have a safe flight.
Delta Whiskey departure and a good day to you, sir.
And Spirit Tower, King Air, Cirrus 696 Romeo Sierra at 26 left, ready for takeoff.
6 Romeo Sierra, roger, hold short 26 left, just working on your high fire release.
For 6 Romeo Sierra, thank you.
Cirrus 696 Romeo Sierra, Spirit Tower, turn left heading 210, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
210, clear for takeoff, 26 left for 6 Romeo Sierra, thank you.
Contact St. Louis departure, have a safe flight.
Departure for Cirrus 6 Romeo Sierra, thank you. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Charlie Whiskey, roger. Station 0, Charlie Whiskey, traffic's an Archer 4-mile final. Fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left. 50 Charlie.
Charlie Whiskey, contact St. Louis departure, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sir, Charlie Whiskey.
Spirit Tower, Cherokee 547 Romeo Sierra, descent 2000.
547 Romeo Sierra, Spirit Tower, where do you wish to depart?
I'd like to go to Yellow Ring, please. 547 Romeo Sierra.
7 Romeo Sierra, roger, make straight in, runway 26 left, runway 26 left, clear to land.
26 left, 26 left, clear to land. 547 Romeo Sierra, thank you.
Romeo Sierra, where are you parking?
Over to Yellow Ramp, 547 Romeo Sierra.
Sierra, roger, taxi to the right turn next taxiway, taxi Yellow Ramp via Alpha.
Tower, gaslight 157 is with you on the visual 26 left.
Fly 157, Spirit Tower, wind 230 at 12, gusts 18, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 26 left, gaslight 157.
Flight 157, we haven't got a pyre up in a while. Do you recall the base's tops, any other in-flight weather?
Yeah, Gaslight 157, it was 3,600 when we broke out, showing the base is at.
127, roger, thank you. Flight 157, right, turn Alpha 8, straight across the ramp. Have a good day.
Alpha 8 in the ramp, Gaslight 157.
Tower crew track 290, established on the ILS, 26 left.
Tower crew track 290, we might have got stepped on earlier, but we were established ILS 26 left.
290, Spirit Tower, sorry about that. How'd the approach terminate?
Gonna be full stop to the white ramp for 290.
9 runway 26 left, clear land.
Left, clear the land, crew track 290.
Right turn at Alpha 5, take straight across the ramp, this frequency.
5, take straight across, this is next to crew track 290. 26 left, 10 Fox Victor.
0 Foxtrot Victor, Spirit Tower, red hold for runway 26 left, landing traffic off our lead.
26 left, 10 Fox Victor.
Here, 10 Foxtrot Victor, turn left heading 210, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, traffic is a Beechjet, 5 mile final.
Golf left 210, 10 Fox Victor.
Zero Foxtrot Victor, left turn 210, contact St. Louis departure, have a good day.
100 departure, good day, sir, Fox Victor.
Jet 100, Spirit Tower, runway 26 left, cleared to land, and King Air traffic will depart prior to arrival.
Land 26 left for Riverjet 100. Sorry, you did say clear to land 26 left for Riverjet 100.
Riverjet 100, affirmative, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Thank you, sir. Riverjet 100, clear to land 26 left.
Jet 100, where do you park? 100, take signature via Alpha, this frequency, right to your discretion.
Okay, signature on this frequency.
7 Mike X-rays ready at 26 left.
Center 7 Mike X-ray, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, wind 220 at 11, gust 17.
Alright, 26 left, clear for takeoff, runway heading, 7 Mike X-ray.
Mike X-ray, contact St. Louis departure. Have a good day.
Switching over, thanks. Mike X-ray. 594 Whiskey, ready for takeoff.
Cirrus 594 Whiskey, left turn on course approved, runway 26 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, on course, approved. 594 Whiskey.
Cirrus 904 Whiskey, no traffic observed to the south. Frequency change is approved.
Change approved, 594 Whiskey.
Station 2 Kilo Charlie, roger, runway 26 left, clear land, wind 220 at 11, gust 18.
Land 26 left, 962 Kilo Charlie.
2 Kilo Charlie, you will call top bases.
Yeah, the airport inside at about 2800.
Roger. Kilo Charlie, where park? Kilo Charlie, continue on down the runway, right at Alpha 8, and taxi straight across Aero Charter, this frequency.